I have here a conceptual model of the post-creek aquifer, and I'd like to demonstrate how an artesian aquifer is formed, as well as the artesian flows that we've already encountered and the artesian flows we are concerned about with the construction of the bridge over Post Creek. This model shows a clay layer underlain by a gravel layer. The clay layer starts at Post Creek and extends uphill to the Nine Pipes Reservoir. The clay layer also extends uphill to the east to the mountains. We're not entirely sure where the water is being recharged into the aquifer. We do know that somewhere uphill of the Post Creek itself, water is entering into the gravel and becomes trapped by the confining clay layer. Anytime that the clay layer is penetrated, an artesian flow is developed. I'm going to demonstrate what has happened in the past anytime we have penetrated the artesian aquifer by drilling a hole through the clay layer. As you can see, any of the water that was previously trapped beneath the clay layer is now able to go up to the surface and flow into Post Creek. We've dyed the water brown to represent the silt and clay particles that will be brought to the surface by the flow. We're concerned about artesian flows of this type developing anytime the clay layer is penetrated. Flows like this can range from anywhere between easy to stop to impossible to stop. And we think that the risk of creating an unstoppable artesian flow should be minimized wherever appropriate. I'd also like to show some photos of the artesian flows we've encountered while performing the fieldwork at Post Creek. These first photos are from the soil boring ST-107 that is currently still flowing. And this short clip shows that even after some time, silt still does come to the surface and travels through the containment system. This video shows the relatively small and easy to plug CPT hole, and this photo shows the large flow that we encountered while performing the micropile installation.